lunes. Yo me llamo Tarzán y la gente me dice cómo es.
El rey de la selva.
Jane es perfecta gracias a sus raíces. ¿Sabes cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Ando con mis leones cazando los ciervos. ¿Cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Yo soy defecto de leones a cerdo. ¿Cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Hello Tarzán, hello Tarzán.
Are we ready? Star Marine 101. This particular show is going to be turning the 70s to a totally different century. We're going to renovate an entire house from the 70s to updated everything, a whole house. And you're going to go with us. So come on. This huge space is going to turn into a divided room. There's going to be a workroom and a, not sure what we call it, over on this side. All the windows are going to be redesigned, replaced, and it's going to look out upon a marsh view, which all of you guys can be jealous of because I'm going to be eating my lunch out there. If any of the Starmers are ever over at your house for dinner, please never ask us, what do you think about our kitchen? We've seen everyone known to man. I know, some of you guys are saying, what? What are you going to do with that bathroom? I know you like the ruffle curtains. I know you like the tile. Yeah, it's all going. It's all going. Blue shag carpet and mop textured ceilings, along with funky lighting. It doesn't get much better. I know this seems like a lot, but it's really not. No need to be scared of this kind of stuff. We do this every single day. After all, our channel is about loving where you live, and we want to show you how we do it. We're about to see some new framing. We're going to see some demolished bathrooms, which you need to be accustomed to what it's going to look like in a demo phase. In this house, the kitchen is now completely gone, demoed, kaput, no longer. It's going to be a much more modern kitchen. You'll also see maybe a little picture of a deck being demoed. It's probably been here 20 years plus. You'll see how badly pressure treated really does not hold up all the time. But we're getting rid of everything and re-putting back a really nice new deck. I'm in a house where more has been more for way too long. The second dumpster is chock full and we finally have a clean palette to work with. Now, on to the fun stuff. Like framing, doors, tile, plumbing. Blech.